Welcome back to my subscriber by the way. So if you are new to this my channel, we analyze our forex markets and our stock market. So if you are interested in our analysis, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. By the way, please do not forget to subscribe. I want you to just subscribe, click on the notification bell icon, comment, and let's get on. So our analysis for this week is our Nasdaq, our S&P 500, our Wall Street, and probably our Nike 225. By the way, so first one we have our analysis. We'll be looking at it, our Nasdaq 100. Let's see on our weekly time frame. We can see that our price actually be pushing down. We now add that continue, retracement. Definitely we should continue be seeing that push down on our Nasdaq 100. Where do you think our price will actually be going this week? I believe that we will continue bearish move this week, by the way. So that is exactly what I am aiming for. We are aiming for a continuous bearish move. Our price will continue downward on our Nasdaq 100. So let's see if our price will actually be going down from where we stopped here last week to this our area here before we can actually say okay, probably there might be a reversal or continue downward. But for this week we should aim to sell our Nasdaq 100. Now see our daily time frame. We can see that our price has actually pushed up. Now it is now actually pushing down. We are seeing a rejection around this area because we see the price has reacted to this our area here. If you have to take a look at it, we see a little bit of reaction. So now we see a reaction here. We see that our price has also reacted, yes, giving us something like the pullback where our price was falling. We had that pullback. Now we continue that fall. Now our price was falling. We had that something like a support and continue push up. Definitely we are now seeing that reaction around this our area here. So I want you to know that we can probably see a push up, then definitely that huge massive fall. Note that our Nasdaq, we are looking for a fall on our Nasdaq, by the way. But before we actually see that Nasdaq fall, we actually be seeing a little bit of push up, then a pull down on our Nasdaq 100. Exactly what we are aiming for. So on our 4-hour time frame, our price is actually still showing bearish move. Daily time frame is showing bearish move. Weekly time frame is showing bearish move. Definitely we should want to be taking a sell on our Nasdaq. But before we can actually take our sell, we can probably wait for our price to break below this our area here, at least break below it, and then it should give us an indication that our price actually now continue downward before we can actually take our sell for our Nasdaq 100. Now our S&P 500 on our weekly time frame, we can see that our price is actually shorting. Definitely we would want to short at least our price to hit this our liquidity area that I've just marked here. This is my area that I've marked here. At least we should be able to see that bearish move. Our price will hit that our liquidity area. Exactly what I am aiming for. See on our weekly time frame, our price is actually going bearish now, or probably if it does not hit this our liquidity area we are aiming for, at least we should be able to come out of our trade here. Then we should be able to take our sell position and opt out of our trade. That should be how many percent? That should be giving us about 2.42%. At least that is good. By the way, if you are able to grab it, by the way. So we are aiming to sell on our S&P 500. We can see a little bit of pullback we are having here, whereby we are having this, push back down. We are at the pull up. Now we want to continue a push down on our S&P 500. So our price is showing bearish move on our 4-hour time frame. We are still going bearish, by the way. Since that movement is giving us on our Nasdaq 100, we are seeing that same movement with our S&P 500. So we would want to be taking a short on our S&P 500. Now on our Wall Street, by the way, our Wall Street, definitely we are taking a sell. If our Nasdaq is falling, our S&P is falling, definitely our Wall Street would be falling. That is exactly what I wanted to know. So on our daily time frame, it is actually falling. You can see long run, it's actually falling. We've had that retracement pull up. You can see here a push down, right? We now add that retracement push up. Now definitely we are coming down, and let's see if we can break below this our area here. Below this my area here and continue push up. But at least this week we should be able to aim our sell price around this area, key area here, and opt out. That is exactly what we are aiming for on our 4-hour time frame. Definitely is still showing that bearish move on our 4-hour time frame. That's it. So now our Nike 225, definitely we should be seeing that, at least a little bit of, I think this price is actually confusing for me, but I want to see how the price will play out this week. Probably we might see that push up to this my area here, then we would now see that continuous fall. Exactly what I think might happen this week. But if it does not happen, definitely we should be seeing that sell position straight downward, at least to this our liquidity area here, at least to this our liquidity area here. So let's see how the price will play out this week. So it depends on how the price will play out this week. It depends on how I'm going to take my trade. But you can see that we are on this our 4-hour time frame. We are now having something like a push up. We don't know if our price can actually just break our multiple structure and go down, or probably now we are having this retracement, right? We can probably now break, push up. That is exactly what I think might happen on our Nike 225. But let's see how our price plays out, so we would know how to take our trade. So that is it for today. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.